Hi guys, welcome back to Success Corner. We are here with the latest news updates from CBSE, and the news update is that for class 9th to 12th, the syllabus has been reduced by 30%. Yes, that is a major reduction in the syllabus, and this has been done because there has been a loss of teaching hours due to the pandemic, due to the lockdown. अब हम देखेंगे कि इस सिलेबस का रिडक्शन की वजह से नीट एंड जेई पे क्या इफेक्ट होगा एंड कितना सिलेबस रिड्यूस हुआ है, कौन कौन से टॉपिक्स अभी डिडक्ट हो गए हैं, कौन कौन से चैप्टर्स टोटली डिलीट हो गए हैं. सो there has been changes in a lot of chapters and some chapters have been totally removed. So I'll just discuss briefly about physics, chemistry, maths and biology, and you can also check later. I have provided the link in the description, so you can check the total syllabus change from that link itself. So from physics, both from 11th and 12th, total 18 chapters, that is 9 chapters from 11th and 9 chapters from 12th, syllabus has been reduced from these chapters. There may not be major changes, but there are slight changes. Some specific topics have been removed, which the NCERT feels that they are not of core concept and they are not the core topics. Similarly, for mathematics, 13 chapters from 11th and 13 chapters from 12th have seen changes in their syllabus. Some specific topics have been removed from this, and some chapters have been totally removed, like mathematical reasoning. For class 11th and 12th biology, for 11th there is changes in 11 chapters, and for 12th there is changes in 5 chapters. Some important chapters like evolution and reproduction in organisms have seen major changes in them. So I would request you to go to the link and check out the full detailed changes in your syllabus, because this will affect your boards as well as NEET and JEE. Now syllabus for chemistry in 11th 13 chapters and in 12th 15 chapters, the syllabus has been reduced. Some basic concepts, some concepts which were being overlapped, and some topics like polymers and everyday chemistry have been totally removed from the syllabus. Now how will this affect NEET and JEE 2021? Will the syllabus of NEET and JEE 2021 be reduced? I am highly sure that the syllabus for NEET 2021 will be reduced, because they cannot complete the whole topic in such a small span. That is why the syllabus for CBSE has also been reduced, and this might be a reduction in NEET 2021 and JEE 2021 syllabus. But there is no surety that it will be the same for NEET 2022, but for NEET and JEE 2021 there will be a reduction in the syllabus. Because of this pandemic, because of this lockdown, the students have not been able to attend classes, and अगर classes attend नहीं की हैं तो syllabus complete नहीं कर सकते. That is why CBSE has reduced the syllabus, and I'm highly sure that NEET and JEE syllabus will also be reduced. So let me know in the comment section, what do you feel? Should the syllabus be reduced? And if it is reduced, then should the syllabus be reduced the same as it was reduced in CBSE? मतलब कि 30% ही reduce करना चाहिए, या कुछ और टॉपिक्स भी कम करने चाहिए, या इतना कम नहीं करना चाहिए syllabus? Will it affect the quality of students that enter into the medical colleges, that enter into the engineering colleges? क्या उस quality of students पे effect पड़ेगा ये syllabus reduce करने से? Let me know your views in the comment section. Guys, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe right now and do turn on the notifications. And I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, your juniors जिनका अभी syllabus change हुआ है. And do check the link in the description and see what are the exact changes, the detailed changes. There are also changes in the practicals as well. So don't forget to check out the link in the description section below. Thank you guys.